This question is from IOR, where Buckley-Leverett equation, particularly from fractional flow equation. This question is asking, few data are given like irreducible water saturation. Irreducible water saturation is this point, and the residual oil saturation is 0.3. That means corresponding water saturation will be 0.7. So this is the 0.7 for irreducible water called SOR, and initial water saturation in the core is 0.3. That is, this is the point called initial water saturation, called as WI. It's called SWC 0.2, 0.3. If Welge method, this Welge method is particular method which utilize the data from this fractional flow equation, the calculating the volume of water injected and the distance or time taken for a water flooding to reach from one distance to other. So during with this Welge method is applied for calculating the breakthrough saturation and fractional flow of water at breakthrough. So it is like that, if the initial saturation and the actual core saturation is the same, we simply draw a straight line from here to here. What we do, you draw a straight line from here to here. But this is a different case where that SWC is not equal to SWI. If this is the case where SWC is equal to SWI, this is the you start tangent from SWC or SWI. So SWC or SWC, notable point here is always draw tangent from corresponding point on the curve. I got that corresponding point on curve from SWI, not SWC. So here in this case, SWI is 0.3. The initial water saturation is 0.3. Initial water saturation is 0.3, not the 0.2. So what will happen, that from this 0.3 corresponding point is 0.4, and from 4 let me erase this previously drawn line. And what will happen, that if you draw a tangent from here, tangent at this point, so what we get here is SW bar, that will the average breakthrough water saturation reached throughout the flooded zone. So the notable point, I will again repeat that you always draw the tangent from SWI, not SWC. This is I read 2-3 books and I found that this is the crux of this equation. The crux of this question is draw that tangent from the point on this fractional flow curve, from this corresponding SWI, not SWC. So you will see that the corresponding answer is 0.4, that is D. Thank you.